Oh my gosh, I just realized I can do that. Oh, never mind, I can't do that.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clay County until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winterboro to Parkdale, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lineville, Ashland, Barfield, Cragford, Roselle, Muellerville, and Mellow Valley. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Clay, Alabama.
Oh, come on! Except for when you're